Faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase by Martin Luther King Jr. So, hello. Today's topic for our discussion is doubt create the mountains. So, for understanding this topic, let's take up some examples. So, in the summer season, we all know that we like to sit under the fan. It gives us very comfortable effect. It cools our body, but we have faith that the fan, which is fixed in the ceiling in the wall, will not fall on us. So, it shows that if we don't have faith in a life, then it will be very difficult for us to live. Let's take up one more example. We have many of us have boarded the aeroplane. So, assume that aeroplane flying at the altitude of 40 to 50,000 feet in the air. A small malfunction in any of the parts of the aeroplane can create havoc and the aeroplane may crash. But still, many people board aeroplane every day. Even the pilots fly the aeroplanes every day. Why so? Because they have faith that the technology that is created by the engineers is good and their life will be saved and their life is not in danger. So we see that faith is very important in your life. If you don't have faith, it would be very difficult for you to live your life. Let's take up some more examples to understand this topic better. Now let's take the example of doctors. Nowadays we all see that coronavirus has spread and this pandemic has been for over a year now. So still the doctors are treating the patients who are corona positive, also the other patients, but mainly the corona patients. We also see that doctors treat the patient who are of chronic disease, means that the disease can spread to doctors also, but still doctors treat those patients. Why is it so? Because doctors have a firm belief, they have a faith that the technology which has been created by them over there by the research that they have done for many years, it will save them. It will save them also. It will save the patients that have come and that have believe on them that the doctors will save us. So we see that faith is very important in every step of your life. For understanding this, let's take one more example. When we were small kids, we don't know the how to walk, so we started crawling and gradually we started walking. So in the starting phase, when we were small and we were not knowing how to walk, we took small steps. So it may be possible that we may fall and we may have injured ourselves very badly, or our leg would have been broken, but still we made it and now we are walking and we don't even care. We don't have the sense that we are walking. That's the very good thing. So why is it so? So having a faith at every step is very important. So because if you don't have faith, it will create a lot of problems in your life. Many problems like depression, lack of trust is the because of people don't have faith on each other. So faith is very important. Now that we have understood that faith is very important and doubts create a mountains and doubts are hindrance in your life, so how to cultivate this nature of faith in our life? That's the very important question. So let's take some points. First of all, acknowledge your doubt. Whenever a doubt comes in your mind, acknowledge it, whether the doubt is reasonable or not reasonable, whether the doubt is coming of its own accord, means it does not have any sense, it does not make any sense, or does it had some sense. Search for it, think over it, and acknowledge it. Second point is question your doubt. Whenever doubt comes in your mind, question it. That is this doubt related to my career or my life? What is the means from where it came? So question your doubt. Third point is, many people have the habit that if they fail in something, they give they think that I am not able to make it or I am not made for this. For example, many people prepare for IITs and many of them fail. So they think that study is not made for them. That's not the point. Failure can be failure can everyone can taste failure. So it's not that you are not made to study or like that. So doubts also come when you fail. So change your attitude towards failure. Now the fourth point is surround yourself with the people that have a good character, good nature, and that can advise you at every point. So it helps a lot. Now, one more point is that avoid perfectionism. Now, some people have the habit that they want everything perfect in their life. They think that if I should start a work, any work, then it should end up perfectly. Means it should not have any flaws or any mistakes. So that's not possible because human nature is that we make mistakes. Every one of us makes mistake. So it's very important that we should avoid perfectionism. It's very important to remove the doubts. And one more very important thing is that Lord Sri Krishna said in Gita in 4.40 that a doubting soul doesn't has peace in this world and in the next world or anywhere. So doubting soul cannot attain peace at any point in his life. So please don't doubt anything. Uh, have faith. Do work regularly. Doing regularly the work removes doubt. So don't let doubt creep in your life. Thank you.